Okay, hello guys. It's 10 p.m. right now, South Korean time, and I'm actually really tired, but I promised that I'm going to make 3 videos today. So here we go with the third question. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what exactly is Naver Smart Store. So Naver Smart Store is I think the second largest shopping platform in Korea. Now it's kind of hard to say what is Naver Smart Store really a platform like a marketplace like Coupang or Amazon, or is it something like Shopify in which you cannot really call it a marketplace, right? Shopify is basically just a software that helps small and medium-sized businesses to create their websites and shopping malls, online shopping malls. So you can't really say it's like an amalgamation of shopping malls, right? So it goes the same for Naver Smart Store as well. So like if you create a Naver Smart Store, you're basically creating your shop under the Naver brand, I guess. Like how Shopify it gives you multiple templates, or it makes shopping easy, right? They give you like an entire suite, an entire collection of functions and things that you can apply into your shopping mall, right? So the same goes with Naver Smart Store. So like everything's like set, ready. All you have to do is just make a few tweaks here and there, and yeah, your shopping mall is ready like that. So until that point, I would say Shopify and Naver Smart Store are very similar. But the thing is, Shopify is not owned by Google, right? And Naver Smart Store is owned by Naver. Now, the reason why I made this correlation is because Naver is a search engine, the largest search engine in South Korea, and Google, of course, is the largest search engine in the United States. So can you just imagine with me for a moment, if Google created Shopify, or if they bought Shopify. Let's just say, for example, let's just imagine this. So let's just imagine that Google acquired Shopify. Then how would things turn out? If you were to buy a frying pan, for example, then you would search frying pan on Google, right? And there would be like a shopping section. For example, there would be, like if you search on Google right now, you can search, you can do a regular search, or you can do an image search. You can search for news. Like there's different tabs, right? After you perform the search, then you would see different tabs showing different formats of content from your search results. Now Naver offers the same thing. You can search through. You can filter the search results as through image or through news, but you can also do it through shopping as well. So you can, for example, like you can enter a frying pan, and then you can go into the shopping section from the search results, and then it would show you a list of Naver Smart Stores, or like Coupang, which is, as I told you many times, it's the Amazon of Korea. And there's also G Market, 11th Street. There's many different there's Walmart, there's Sears, there's Newegg. There's lots of different places, right? There's eBay, lots of different marketplaces. So the same goes with Korea as well. So yeah, if you go to the shopping section of Naver, then it would show you a list of shopping malls, or online shops that sell frying pans, and you could go through each one, see which ones you like the most and which has the best reviews, and you would just purchase it. You go into the site and you would purchase it. Now I'm not saying that Naver only returns Naver Smart Stores as the search results. It would pull in all the data from Coupang, it would pull in all the data from G Market, 11th Street, and all those marketplaces, right? If you have an individual shop, then it will bring your listing from your shop. But if you are a seller in Coupang, if you listed your product as a seller in Coupang, then it would pull in the product listing from Coupang. So that's how it works. So in summary, I would say that you can't really compare Shopify with Naver Smart Store like exactly the same. They allow you to have a shop of your own. They provide you the tools to create your own shop, to customize your URL, and list your products as a separate shop in itself, right? And so that's the same. The same goes with Shopify. The same goes with Naver Smart Store. But it's different because Google does not own Shopify. It does not own a shopping mall generator software, right? But Naver does. So Naver Smart Store is Naver's possession. It's a company of Naver, or it's a software of Naver. And Google is Google, of course, and Naver is Naver. But Google does not own a website builder. It might, but not that I know of. And Naver does own a website builder, and its name is Naver Smart Store. So there you have it. That is Naver Smart Store. Basically, in this video, I'm only going to tell you what Naver Smart Store is. Maybe in another video, I might tell you about some features, like actual, functions that Naver Smart Store offers to its clients, and just a really detailed explanation of the mechanisms behind Naver Smart Store. Or maybe the interface, the actual page that buyers, consumers would see when they shop something on Naver Smart Store. But I think that would be good for another video. So I'm gonna cut this video right here, and thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.